Meet Ganesh, our Amazon Easy Store owner. He spends his whole day managing customers, placing orders, and solving issues, yet easily keeps track of his earnings, issues, and marketing promotions. Wondering how? Meet the Amazon Easy Store owner app, popularly known as the Collect app. Let's walk you through how Ganesh uses the app to stay updated. Launch Collect app and enter your store email ID followed by your password. Latest Deals is your access point to all deals shared by Amazon. Use the Share button to share it with your customers on WhatsApp and other platforms. The Latest Earnings tab helps you keep a track of your income and incentives. It displays name of the product, order ID, date of placing the order, number of units shipped, the status of your order commission, any new customer bounty if applicable, and number of units returned. Detailed Earnings page displays a summary view of all your orders and earnings through a custom view to view your earnings based on a custom date range, a monthly view of total commissions, number of returns, and the total value of your orders for a selected month, and a weekly view with a week-on-week score of your orders. Store Audit is a mechanism which enables you to showcase the marketing activities deployed to generate footfalls and drive conversions. Let us see the 7 simple steps to finish an audit. You will receive a notification on the app when an audit is initiated. First, click on the Store Audit tab to get to the audit page. The audit page lists planned and completed audits. Let us complete the sample poster audit by clicking on it. Our task: upload images of the posters present in the store. Let us look at steps to upload one photo. You can repeat the same steps for other uploads. When you click on the Upload button, you can either click a new photo with your phone's camera or select a previously clicked image from your phone's gallery. Take a photo with your phone's camera and click on the Upload button. You can click on Upload another button to load more images with a maximum of 3 images per audit. Once you have uploaded all images, click on the Complete Audit button to finish the audit. When you upload 3 images, the audit status automatically changes to Under Review. For less than 3 images, you have to manually click on the Complete Audit button to finish the audit. Once the audit is complete, the audit list and detail pages show the updated Under Review status. When the audit is approved, you will receive a notification that it is accepted. In case it is rejected, you will receive a notification mentioning the name of the rejected audit and the reasons for rejection. The Issues tab provides a space for you to raise problems you encounter, track, and get them resolved. Let us dive in. Clicking on the Issues tab opens the Issues Resolution page with a detailed list of all the issues linked to your account. The Open tab lists currently open issues organized by date with the most recent issues at the top. The Resolved tab shows all resolved issues. The All tab displays a complete list of open and resolved issues. Let us understand how to raise an issue. Click on the plus icon on the top right from any of the tabs to create an issue. Select the issue category, followed by subcategory from the drop-down list. The order ID is optional. You can add the order ID. It is related to the issue you are raising. Let us quickly go through the category and the subcategory of issues. Onboarding and whitelisting are related to login issues, such as logging out continuously. Store app issues can vary from not being able to access the app, getting incorrect or missed earnings. Notification issues. Easy tab issues like PAS device not working properly, cashback or chargeback issue, request for a new device. Common Easy Store website problems: not able to access the website, links not working properly. Customer issue like return or pickup issue. Delivery issues: missing delivery details, delivery agent and customer unreachable, and damaged packages. And finally, returns issues like delayed returns and return refund not being credited. Fill in the details and click on Submit. The confirmation page displays a confirmation message and a timeline for resolving the issue. You can click on the View Issue button to see details of an issue. The back button takes you to the issue list page. Log out signs you out of your account and exits the store app. You will need to sign in again to access the app and its features. We have reached the end of the training video. Feel free to explore the app built for your convenience. Happy selling with Amazon Easy.